students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well, and you are reading well. You are watching my videos one after another. You are getting the proper concept from each and every topic from your science book. So today I am also here with a new topic, and based on that very topic, today I will say a few of the hot type question, because this is a series of hot type questions going on. You know it very well, right? So without wasting time, let's get started. Students, you know that from your science book we discussed on last video about the plant tissue, and based on the plant tissue few of the hot type questions, right? Now in this chapter, in this video today we are going to discuss about the animal tissues, and based on that few of the hot type question. Okay, so first of all, when we are starting the animal tissue, so here a question may occur that what is the difference between the plant tissue and animal tissue. Okay, so this question also come in as a theoretical question as well as the hot question. That's it. As well as if I say that how can we differentiate between the animal tissue and the plant tissue? In such manner, also the difference may come. Okay. Next, and then next it is also said that same question in different way it can come. Then one day you came to laboratory, you visit to laboratory, and your teacher has shown you the a plant cell and an animal cell through a microscope, and after that he asked you few of the differences between these two cells. So what are the differences you will observe there? Okay, so such questions may come from the introductory part of the animal tissue. Next, we are saying here the epithelial tissue is present. Next question may come that the very soft skinny part, okay, in your buccal cavity or in your mouth. You know that in our mouth there is also the entire cheek portion, okay, or the chin portion, totally made up of a very soft type of cell, right? The entire part, the inner part of our buccal cavity. So what kind of tissue is this, right? It is also made up of tissue. So what kind of tissue is this, right? And why it is called the squamous epithelial tissue, right? Such type of question may occur, and what is the structure of it? So structure may say, and you may have to draw over there. So it means that you have to practice on it and you have to read this topic, then you can easily give the answer of this question. Next, if I say for muscle tissues, okay, the muscular tissues, those which are present as a connective tissue. So here the muscle tissue or the connective tissue, you know that muscles tissue or muscular tissues, those which are making the entire muscles in our body, okay, and these muscles are connected totally as an overlapping part on the bones, right, on the our skeletons. So how does this connected to each other, and what is the inter related, and how are they just amalgamate together, or they used to make a parallel way on the or series in a series manner on the bones and giving the proper shape of our body. Okay, so here you have to say about the ligaments or the tendons, about these things, those which are helping to connect it with the bones to muscles, and as well as muscles to muscles. Okay, so you have to say, you have to read this topic, as well as if I say that how you know that nowadays it is very in this modern time, okay, youths are most probably spending their time throughout the day in the gymnasium. So what for they're going over there, okay, and after a few days you observe that their muscles are getting much stiff, and the body looks very smart and fit and healthy. So how is this possible? Okay, so such type of question may occur as a hot question over there. Okay, as well as the question may come that two people are there, one is very weak and looking very looking very weak and dull and not stand properly, whereas the another person who is very strong, straight, fit and healthy by their body. So what is the difference in their body, and what could be the actual diet for them? So such diet based question or nutrition based question may also occur over there. Okay, next question may occur that nowadays plastic surgery, okay, plastic surgery, for this kind of surgery most probably people are going over there, those who wants to make them very well fashioned as well as good looking. Okay, so for this purpose plastic surgery is popular everywhere. Okay, so what is the particular what is this surgery, what type of surgery is this? Okay, do we use the real plastic over there or something else? Okay, so such kind of small explanation should be given and should be asked over there as a hot step question. So that's it. You have to read, as well as you know that there are different type of tissues are present. You remember part of cells, just like the nerve cells are present, then muscular cells are present, then epithelial tissues, the where epithelial cells, squamous cells are present, then blood cells are present. So all type different type of cells are combined together. So it may ask question that at least draw the diagram of each type of cell. But it may also come as a hot type question to you, as well as a value based question to you, or subject type of questions to you, right? As well as if I say that what type of corpuscles are present, or what type of blood cells are present in our blood, okay, in our plasma. So you may have to draw the red blood cell RBC, white blood cell WBC, okay, and any other blood vessels, those which are present over there. Yeah, you may have to draw over there, or you have to write over there. But next, you know that our blood contains the red color, as we know from primary classes. So, but this question may also occur here, that you know that red blood corpuscles are very important in our blood. So, from how such kinds of corpuscles get the red in color? Okay, so you know this answer very well, but this question may also occur as a hot step question in this class 9 also, right? So you have to practice it very well. Okay, then the last question, that is a very unique one to you, that is the nerve cell. Yes, you know that the entire body of our entire body, entire organs are totally combined with a million numbers, or billion numbers of nerve cells. Got it? So it may say that subject in subject type questions, mainly diagram will come, okay, as well as the function, the entire structure. Got it? So all this question may come as a subjective question. But if I say for the horse type question, so horse type question, or the value based question, or as yes, value based question, horse type question. In this question, we may occur that sometimes you observe a few of the person, they are totally unable to walk. Okay, or one part of their body, or either their hand or leg of their body is totally unable to do the work. Okay, it is totally workless. So how is this possible? Okay, it is. We know that it is only because of the nerve cells. Nerve cells are not doing over there. Not only nerve cells, but also the muscular cells, and as well as the energy. It means the strength is also not over there. Okay, so that's why that very part of the body get paralyzed. Okay, so such a paralyzed people, how make them active of that part of the body? Okay, we know that different asanas are there, as well as medicines are also there. So the daily workout are also there. So all those things helps them, or helps those paralyzed people to make them quite active, not fully active but quite active, so they can do the work. So such type of question may occur. Okay, then whenever someone if someone pinch to any part of your body, so suddenly you get shocked on it, okay, and you understood that someone has pinched you. So how is this possible? So it is only because of the nerve cell that is present in your body. So how do nerve cell, what is the main function of the nerve cell? And if we say that the messenger, who is the messenger of our body, or which cell is known as the messenger of our body? So we know that that is then the nerve cell, because nerve cells, where is this nerve cells present? Nerve cells present everywhere, from top of our head to bottom, okay, to our body. So throughout the body, nerve cells are present. So if anyone touch or feel or pinch or hurt or touch anywhere in our body, so we can easily get the impression of it. Okay, only because of the nerve cell that is present, and nerve cells are totally connected to each other. It is almost look like a flowering plant, and all these flowering plants are connected to each other by their dendrites and axons, okay, dendrons and axons, and by the synapses process, they are connected to each other, and that's why, as it is connected from everywhere to our brain, and that's why our brain gives the message easily and within a single millisecond or within a semisecond. Okay, so that's why we used to get the feelings of it. That's it. So all these types are I've already told, and in this way our nerve cells, or the nervous tissues, and used to do the work and helps us to feel, or helps us to take the impression of anything else. Okay, so that's it. In this way we have already completed the discussion on the hot style question. Many hot style question may occur from here, but I have just given you one or two examples from each of the part of tissues, okay, animal tissues. Hope you have understood, and you please rewind this video once more again and again so that you could get all the questions properly. And if possible, you please write down all the questions that I have just told, not in a proper manner, but I have told whatever, you please make it or arrange it in a proper way, and please write down the answers and please send me, because email is given, my email is given sensovic43 at the rate of gmail.com. So in this email ID, you please send me the answers. I will check that and I will say whether you are correct or wrong, and I will make you correct. Okay. And if there is any confusion anywhere throughout this animal tissues or plant tissues or tissue related chapter, you please ask me here in this video in the comment box. In the comment box is given over here. Okay. And share the videos to each of your friends, because sharing is the very good thing. Okay. That's it. Read well, study well, take the concept very well so that it can help you in your future, and you must not forget about anything else. Okay. Happy learning. Bye bye.